Hey guys, I'm Jen and I create crafts. Today, Alyssa is going to show us how to make
slime. Here's what you need to make for slime. It is magical liquid, which lots of people call activator. And then some glitter glue, any color you want. It could be any glitter, but I recommend Elmer's glue. And then, of course, you need a mixer. And then that's technically all.
They're getting overused when you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Every month we do a craft bundle giveaway. It only takes 20 seconds to enter. Visit icreatecrafts.com and click on the giveaway.